Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Exotic Noods. Exotic Noods is a subscription service. You can get one or more boxes sent to your door each month. If you go over to www.exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code RamenRaider15, you can get 15% off your order. Alright, well hey, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing we've got is a pamphlet in here. Looks like it goes over all the different varieties that you will receive in some detail. So I'll just go over each one that comes in this box. First off, we have a fashion food variety. This is a braised chicken. This one's interesting because it has a plastic bowl and the lid comes off, so kind of cool. This one I know about. This is mie sedap's mie goreng. This is from Indonesia. Mie goreng is a fried noodle. You've kind of got a few components that all come together really nice in mie goreng. You have a spicy element, you have a sweet element, and you have a salty element. And there's no broth. This stuff is great with a fried egg on top. You can't go wrong there. And here's one from Vietnam. This is O Ricey by Ace Cook, and this is pho ga. Pho is soup, and ga is chicken. So it's chicken soup, but it's in the style of pho. If you're not familiar with that, it's a soup that's cooked over hours and hours and hours and hours. It has a really, really nice, amazing broth. And the noodles in this one are rice noodles. Oh, ricey. So there you go. Here's a personal favorite of mine from Thailand. This is Mama's Green Curry. When I visited this company in Thailand a few years back, they made this alongside with the traditional green curry and spruced both of them up, and it was just amazing. Just I love green curry. It's so good. And yeah, this one's really good with chicken. Here's an interesting one from Cassette. This is their spicy seafood flavor. This is one that caught my eye in Taiwan, but I don't believe it's from Taiwan. This is from Thailand. This one's really, really fascinating to me because you don't see this brand much at all in the States. So, exotic. And here is another of the fashion food varieties. This one is pho bo, which is soup beef. So this is a beef soup one. This is from Thailand yet again. So a lot of Thai varieties in this box, and that's pretty cool. You don't see a lot of subscription boxes that have varieties from a lot of different countries. Usually they'll just be from Japan or just from Korea. So this is nice. This one is a Little Cook, and this is their Yum Noodle Cup. This one is absolutely excellent. This is a very good Tom Yum to represent the set. Nice and spicy. It's good. It's definitely worth a try. And finally, from YY, you have their casserole. Basically, it's artificial beef flavor from YY of Thailand. Alright, so in this Exotic Noods box, you get Tom Yum, mie goreng, green curry, beef casserole, chicken pho, braised chicken, spicy seafood salad, beef pho, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, way cool. Thanks to the guys over at Exotic Noods for shooting this over. Hey, go and visit www.exoticnoods.com and get yourself a box. There's 2 or 3 or 4 or as many as you want today. They'll come right to your door, and you get to try all sorts of different instant noodles just like I do. If you want to get a discount, use the coupon code RamenRaider15, just like it says here. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. And hey, you forget to get somebody their Christmas present? This is easy. Just go and order it. Send them a little letter saying, hey, this is going to come to you for the rest of the year. You'll be glad they did. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.